The Prophet ﷺ said, another person who will intercede. He said, he won't be a Nabi. This person will not be a Nabi. He will be a pious individual. And in narration is mentioned, some Nabis will have nobody behind them. Some Nabis will have one person behind them. Some will have two people behind them. The Prophet ﷺ said that there will be this pious person on the Day of Judgment. He will have people equivalent to the Bani Rabi and the Mudhar. Bani Rabi and the Mudhar were the largest, you could say, the tribes of the Arabs. One person who lived this life according to how Allah wanted him to live, who was pious, who most likely had a fikr, who had a concern, he will take tens and thousands of people into Jannah. Subhanallah, imagine this. Tens and thousands. And this is why they say, remain in the company of the pious. Because on that day when you may have nobody, this person may be taking tens and thousands. And you may be one of those individuals, fortunate individuals, that this person will remember on that day. Remain in the company of those who will, subhanallah, look out for you on that day.